your flight response!
Hey guys, Matthias Horrible here. Today I will be unboxing the long-awaited Leatherface chainsaw from Trick or Treat Studios. So let's get this video started. So here we have this ginormous box right here, which contains the chainsaw, which has not really been seen on YouTube yet because it was a pre-order. But yeah, let's see how it looks. Give me one sec. Oh. See the box. The box within the box. This is huge. This thing is huge. I don't really know what I was expecting. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that's badass. That's badass. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and as you can see, we have the promotional art for the film right here with Sally Hardesty and Leatherface himself. Who will survive and what will be left of them? It's on the back. Deluxe chainsaw prop with sound and features working kill switch activation. Kill switch, I love that. Sound effects from the 1974 film. That's also really badass. And moving chain action, of course. Let's see what's inside of here and get this activated. Shoebox, we don't need you. Shoebox, get it. I'm back with some proper scissors. This thing sounds weird when it's hit. It's like there's an actual... Ooh, yeah, that works. Alright guys, time to boot this baby up. This is awesome! Alright, so let's get into the review portion of this. This thing is freaking awesome. So as you can see, it has movie-accurate details taken right off the chainsaw brand from the original film. It's even got this right here to look like a fan almost. A lot of people have been saying you should pull this thing in order to turn it on, just like the movie. I feel like that would have been a little complicated, and what if the chain snapped or something? I feel like this little switch down here is enough. But as you can see, when you switch this thing on, it will make this sort of idling, rumbling noise, and then when you press this button right here, it will make the revving noise. And it is a little bit of a cheap material, I admit, but I don't know what I was expecting. This thing, honestly, for all it does and all it is an absolute steal for $80. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. This thing is so cool. Yeah, oh my gosh. I'm in love here. I'm definitely gonna give this a 5 out of 5. No joke, I love this thing. Although, I will say that this is cool and all. I mean, the paint job's nice, but it's a little bit basic, I guess you could say. I don't know. I don't know what they could have done about that, but it's fine for what it is. Yeah, so let's take a look at some cool shots of it, shall we? So, I'll see you guys later.